To drive project and program success, you need a good way to plan, organize, assign, and track work to completion. You have a broad variety of choices, which you can define in a few buckets: tactical project management systems, project and portfolio management systems, and strategic portfolio management systems. As a project manager, project management office, or project executive, you have some important decisions to make. The purpose of this video is to provide you some education about each of these solutions to help you make the right choice. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notifications about new content. If you're watching on LinkedIn, please like, comment, or share. Let's spend a moment to talk about the value you get from a tactical project management system, a project and portfolio management system, and a strategic portfolio management system. A tactical project management system gives your project manager a way to plan and organize work. This helps your project team deliver work successfully, as they can break work into smaller work packages that are achievable and can track against those to completion. A TPM saves you time on your project, reduces risk, and increases your chance of a successful outcome. Project and portfolio management systems give your PMO and project executives visibility to projects and programs and how they're proceeding, as well as insight into resource allocation. With a PPM, you get all the benefits from the TPM. Plus, with the information from a project and portfolio management system, your management team can make better decisions to help guide programs to successful outcomes and reduces the cost of projects and resources. Strategic portfolio management systems help you select the right projects and programs and invest your project dollars and resources wisely. The SPM also allows each project manager to work in the tactical project management system that best suits each project's methodology, be it waterfall or agile. With the SPM, you get all the benefits of the PPM and the TPMs. On top of that, an SPM reduces waste caused by selecting the wrong projects and improves the return on investment from focusing on the right programs. Before we get into the discussion of the TPM, PPM, and SPM, it's worth pausing to talk about built-in functionality in your enterprise resource planning software, also known as your ERP, which are heavily focused on finance and accounting functions. Often, ERP vendors also assume they can manage projects better than best-in-breed tactical project management systems, so they build in their own tactical project management systems. These ERP-centric TPMs are typically clunky and tend to hinder rather than help a project's performance. In addition, some ERP systems have portfolio selection tools in place. These are usually focused on budgets and do a very poor job of optimizing for strategic fit and resource capacity planning. In virtually every case, project executives, the PMO, and project managers should choose the best-in-breed TPM, PPM, or SPM over an ERP's built-in capabilities. Let's talk about those. Tactical project management systems on PCs first appeared back in the 80s. There were a few leaders that jumped into the market at that time: Microsoft Project, Primavera, and Asta Power Project. These solutions were standalone project systems that you could use to organize tasks and activities inside a work breakdown structure. You could also assign work. Then you'd print out a wall-sized Gantt chart where your team members were supposed to find their assigned work and get to it. Tactical project management systems today have the same problems as those in the 80s. Today's TPM systems, or work management systems, include the classics and others like Planner, Project for the Web, Jira, and Azure DevOps. The new TPM systems are popping up because project teams are finding new and different ways to work. Classic TPM systems support waterfall project methodologies, but the new tactical project management systems are built to support agile, ad hoc, or light project management methodologies. There are two main problems with a TPM system. First, they're standalone. If you have two or more projects going on, neither schedule knows of the other, so it's easy to overallocate resources. Second, the tactical project management system is typically built around a schedule. Cost controls, document controls, change management, and other similar critical tasks fall by the wayside to accounting systems, directory structures, spreadsheets, paper documents, email, and the waste bin. So, a bit of foreshadowing here. We're now seeing more and more tactical project management systems, and these clash with our next topic, the all-in-one project and portfolio management system. As time marched on into the 21st century, the biggest TPM companies started rolling their TPM solutions into project and portfolio management systems. In this model, all project managers use the same tactical project management system to plan and track projects, and information from each project rolls up for reporting for the project management office and project executives. With this, the TPM solutions achieved two major advantages. First, the projects all started to use a common resource pool, so it was possible to see overallocation and underallocation of resources who were on multiple projects. Second, the projects could roll up to provide visibility to multiple projects that were happening at the same time, giving the project management office and project executives the ability to understand the status of projects, programs, and portfolios. Also, as PPM systems matured, the PPM vendors started to incorporate additional capabilities. For example, Microsoft Project Server was built on SharePoint, and it included the ability to create project sites for document controls and automated business processes for approvals and identifying and managing risks and issues. All of this information and cost information captured within schedules and in project detail pages was visible through roll-ups and reports. Other features came into the PPM systems as well, albeit most people never noticed that it happened. Some of the PPM systems added capabilities to do proposal intake, scoring, and ultimately project selection, considering strategic fit, budget, and resource capacity. These intake and selection subsystems rely on a detailed bottoms-up analysis process. The proposal analysis helps an owner organization select the right projects on which to focus. Each PPM system is typically built on the foundation of a solid tactical project management system. The PPM introduces the ability to aggregate information and a number of important additional capabilities. For project and portfolio management vendors, this trend helped to create a wave of dominance in the industry. Sometimes, in fact, these PPM systems were called enterprise project and portfolio management systems, implying that entire organizations should be using the specific PPM tool and the related tactical project management systems to run all projects and programs. But here's a problem. The PPM systems all assume that, first of all, you own the work. It's all self-performed and you control the projects. If you have a contractor doing the work for you and the contractor is using their own schedule, the PPM system doesn't deal well with not having a level of the project details. The truth is that many organizations will contract work out, for example, as a turnkey delivery from a contractor. They don't have control over the schedule. The second problem is that you need to use the tactical project management system that's part of the PPM. At one point in time that made sense, but as we said at the end of our conversation about tactical project management systems, we see many new entrants in this market and new ways of doing work. If it ever was feasible for everyone to use the same tactical project management system, it's certainly no longer practical. Many companies, whether owners or contractors, need the flexibility to plan and control work with a tactical project management system outside of the PPM. That's where things get interesting. There's a new breed of project and program management systems that has evolved to help you with this problem. These strategic portfolio management systems provide for proposal intake at the program and project level, and selection through strategic alignment along with budget and resource constraints. They allow for initiating projects in the tactical project management systems and then for aggregation back out of each. This provides visibility to key project and program milestones within your programs and portfolios so that you get a view of how your programs are working together and meet your organizational targets. Strategic portfolio management systems allow you to do things better. Now you can separate the proposal and investment decision analysis from a concern about how projects will be planned and executed. Now you can let project managers use the tactical project management system that best fits each of their individual needs. Now you can roll up project, program, cost, resource, and roadmap information into a single source of truth, allowing the project management office and project executives visibility into key performance indicators and the ability to gain insights and make decisions that will drive true enterprise success. A great example of a leading strategic portfolio management system is UMT360 Portfolio Manager. The Portfolio Manager is built around a program and project lifecycle, including intake, assessment, selection, resource capacity planning, initiation of projects in TPM systems, integration with TPMs to pull progress, road mapping, and benefits realization management. Every organization's portfolio, program, and project management scenario has its own unique qualities. In Western Principles experience, each of our customers has unique needs, stemming from the specific tactical or project and portfolio management system they have in place, the types of projects they're doing, and the maturity of their strategic project management. Western Principles can work with you to create a roadmap to help you understand your current situation and how and when to move from where you are today to where you will need to be in the future. We also have the skills to help you execute on this plan and improve your portfolio, program, and project delivery results. Western Principles understands project and program management. We're a UMT360 Gold partner and a Microsoft Gold PPM partner. We can help you with technical services, business process services, and training services for the implementation, configuration, customization, extension, integration, enhancement, and deployment of your strategic portfolio management solution. Let's get started together. Visit us on the web, call us at 1-800-578-4155, or email us at info@westernprinciples.com. We look forward to helping you.